Guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're vlogging and I have a special guest today, my brother. And then he said every time I'm vlogging I have to say it's a vlog day today. It's a vlog day today. So we are going to meet up with friends and we are late. And we are late. We are very late. So we will do this. I mean, we'll see if we'll vlog when we get there, depending on how many people are there. If there isn't like a lot of people, I'm very like people shy, so I am leaving. I'll be there in the next 15 minutes and I need to go to the bank because I'm broke. Yeah, Shannon.
Yeah. Normal.
My camera person is not supposed to speak, but hey,
but then you
speaking. So anyway, this is for my hands. Anyway, I'll see you guys when I get. Hey, my coffee's cold. Oh yeah, it has my name on it. Guys, my brother is my photographer, videographer. Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and this is the pretty Mary Jane.
Finally.
And I'm here and she's been inspiring me to vlog. So today we're vlogging. Both me and her.
She better post it.
I will, I promise. And if I don't, it's on camera.
You look so pretty. So we're gonna... Are you hungry?
I'm hungry.
Yeah, we're gonna get something to eat.
We're at the market.
Waterfall
and we've been
Market.
looking for it. So we are here. I see cake. I see a lot of things. So let's go.
Thank you. Hi, the man.
Hi.
Did you take?
I just like started taking. What's here? It's not. Don't know what I want to eat. What do you want to eat?
Wait, you want to eat everything? Oh, that looks yummy. Do you think we should just
but
check
like,
out?
look at this.
All for one.
Anna? Because pork ribs, force, chicken, salad, and salsa. Let's keep looking.
This 1 year 140. It's only really two.
Yeah.
Is that it?
No.
How big is it?
How big?
For two, it's fine.
How big?
I've got different flowers.
No, it looks really nice and juicy. Did you hear? 3 of everything.
Good for
And then 1. So guys, now we're getting some food and
I'm already eating.
oh, she's already eating. So we're having some beef, pork, wors, wings, burger, and what else? Is that us?
Yeah, and cocktails.
Chips, cocktails, and beer. So let's munch. I'm not sure if you guys can hear since this person is so loud. So I don't know where I'm gonna put this, but I'll just show you the food and then I'll end it here. What?
I never wanna leave. Energy.
Energy.
I was lost, so wake me up when it's all over. When I was older and I'm older, well, this time I was finding myself, and I didn't know I was lost. Hey.
Ooh, yes.
So hi guys, we are back and this is golden hour, we call it.
And now it is time to go home.
We had a fun day.
It was nice, guys.
It was really nice meeting
I had
you.
fun.
I'm glad. I'm really glad, guys. This is like embracing new friendships.
Yes. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Yes.
Bye.